Verona, the real one's down.
Alright, what's the next one? Maybe there's something that goes with that. No, not that one.
Mia, let her open.
No. Well, go ahead. Just whatever one you want first. And you'll get some more tomorrow at your party. But this is my presents!
I know, okay.
Let me give you your roller skates.
I will try these on now.
I think you should, yeah. What's your favourite?
Tea, all of them.
What do you say to Dad?
No, I can't do these ones.
Let me help you. No, why do you get hard to open this one?
Leave it.
Holy sh... They're
not.
They're not very snappy. Whoa, whoa. They have breathe.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
Now listen, if these don't fit you, we can take them back and get smaller ones, okay?
Okay.
But we'll see. We'll try these ones first. Now. Sit up there. Oh, wait, there's stuff inside the mind and put them on.